Hi Scorpions. This is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha, the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing. And I'm making this video especially for the Scorpions and especially for the month of October. So let me see what October has in store for all my Scorpions. That's right. Tarot, please give us a message for the Scorpions for the month of October. Right. All right. Great. Wow, Scorpion's health is good. Nice, nice, nice. Cards are nice. Lot of activity, yeah, but in this month, lot of activity is happening. Wow. Okay, let me start with the health. Health is really good. It's harmonious. So you are in harmony with, whenever I say harmony, you're in harmony with all the aspects of health. That is social aspect, financial aspect, then emotional aspect, mental aspect. So when all these aspects are fine, then this is how I say that you are in harmony. So great. So health is in harmony, and I think you're feeling just loved from inside. You will feel that self love in this month. Wow, what a good start for the reading. Self love is such a nice start. Now, wealth. You will have to use your reserve this time, your savings this time. I don't mean to say that you will not get anything or you'll not make any money. I just mean to say that there will be a time where you need to use your reserve somehow. And reserves, इसीलिए तो होते हैं. You keep your reserve when you need it, right? So don't worry, you'll not need it for a health issue or anything. But yes, there will be some calculations where you'll require your reserves to come out, right? Perfect. And then I go to career. Very good card. See, the strength card. So whenever this card comes, this was the first card that I ever pulled out in tarot. I remember. This is one of my favorite cards. So this card always shows that you have the strength of love. And you have so much of strength that you can also, deal with your demon. Like this lady is dealing with. All right, and she has a lot of spiritual. See the infinity sign. See a lot. She has a lot of spiritual blessings also. So you'll be blessed spiritually. You will get intuitions about ideas, how to go ahead in your career. You could be in your job or whatever. You will get good lot of insights and good insights how to go ahead in your career. And you will face all your demons. Whatever challenges will come to you in your career, you will face them. Holiday challenge, wife challenge, employee challenge, boss challenge, husband challenge, children challenge, whatever challenges you'll be like, okay, fine. Now what? I accept. I deal with it. I face my demons. But your career is fine. I mean, your opportunities are fine. Your career is going fine. Just, I told you in the start, there's a lot of activity in the month of October. A lot of activity going on for yes, Scorpions. Okay. Then what I do? All right. Then I go right to the relationships. Oh God, fights, arguments, debates. But at least you have relations. I have seen people who don't have relations and who really crave for relations. Fair. It's healthy to argue sometimes. It's healthy to have debates. It's healthy to stand up for yourself. It's healthy to confront. It's healthy to go and say that, hey, I didn't like what you said or I didn't like what you did to me. Fair. But a lot of arguments coming in. See, I don't take any kind of a reading or any kind of a perception, in a negative way. Anything that comes in our life teaches us something. And if you don't learn, then it is going to come again. All right, it's going to relapse. So it's okay. I feel that you should go and confront. I feel that you should stand up for your ideas. I feel that you should stand up for your feelings. Who else will do that, right? So it's fair. Relations will be, you have relations and no one is going to come and leave you. But you will face, and I also told you that you'll be facing your demons. So you will have to face a lot of relations, a lot of arguments, a lot of new ideas which you might not like. But let's see. There'll be a stage in your life that someone would want to step above you. All right. Someone would want to control you. Someone who would want to take control of your life. All right. And definitely you have to stand up for yourself. Whatever happens, you're not giving your power away to anyone. You're not giving your control to anyone. Okay. I hope this is fine. So it's not good. No one should give their power away to anyone and their control away to anyone. But it seems that you might find someone like that who just wants to be on the top of it, and who just, this is an unhealthy competition card according to me. But fair enough. I told you this month is a month of activities, and you will face a lot of challenges. You will but activity is going on, at least your life is not stagnant. I'm liking it. All right, and you have a genie card. If you can download this card from the internet, all right, if you can download this card from the internet and meditate, laminate this card, genie card, all right. It is 9 of cups. If you want to download, it is 9 of cups, or you can buy a tarot deck. This card, if you can laminate and meditate, so it's like a jinn, jo hukum mere aaka, whatever you wish will come true. Just take it in the non-dominant hand, keep your dominant hand, and just say that this is what I really want in my life, and the genie will fulfill that. Your wish is my command. Wow, great. So that is the tip for you all Scorpions. All right, and I'll see you next month. And do share this with your friends so that they'll get motivated for the coming month. Thank you.